estate is a lucrative business, and some people have taken it to another level, becoming multimillionaires. Today we bring you 5 of the world's richest real estate tycoons. At number 5, we have Wang Jianlin. He is the founder of Wanda Group, one of China's largest real estate developers. With a net worth of over $20 billion, Wang Jianlin is one of the richest men in China. Next up, at number 4, we have Stephen Schwarzman. He is the co-founder of Blackstone Group, one of the largest private equity firms in the world. With a net worth of over $22 billion, Stephen Schwarzman is a true real estate powerhouse. At number 3, we have Larry Ellison. He is the co-founder of Oracle Corporation, one of the world's largest software companies. He has a vast real estate portfolio, with properties in California, Hawaii, and Japan. With a net worth of over $80 billion, Larry Ellison is one of the richest people in the world. Moving on to number 2, we have Mukesh Ambani. He is the chairman of Reliance Industries, one of India's largest conglomerates. He has a vast real estate portfolio, including a 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai, which is the world's most expensive private residential property. With a net worth of over $120 billion, Mukesh Ambani is one of the richest men in the world. And finally, at number 1, we have Jeff Bezos. He is the founder of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. He has a vast real estate portfolio, including several luxurious properties in California, New York, and Washington. With a net worth of over $150 billion, Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world. These are the 5 real estate tycoons who have taken the world by storm. With their vast wealth and successful businesses, they serve as an inspiration to us all.